I'm Tam Pendleton, and we are at a Healer's Blueprint workshop with 20 of the most amazing people on the planet. We're learning self-empowering techniques to move forward in our lives with grace, with courage, and compassion. Right, guys?
How did you like today's workshop and yesterday?
It was amazing. I'm so glad I came.
I had expectations coming in to learn about my abilities, some things that I could do to have better clarity or understanding of that, and being able to be in Tam's workshop actually taught me those things that I was looking to learn, but so much more, like her capacity and ability to be able to see and to truly understand allows you to fully step into yourself also and feel really good and confident.
There was so many transformations and so much light, and it was really, really cool.
Each unique individual and helping them shine more fully in their light. It's far exceeds the expectations. It's life-changing, and everyone kind of gets what they need, and it's tapered to everyone in the room.
I feel like it's opened just everything. I've really opened to my potential, and I can feel my connection to myself and to my higher power really shifting. And I've worked with other modalities, but I think everyone should experience what Healer's Blueprint has to offer.